Hello, welcome back to this organic DIY. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Moringa for hair growth by making powerful homemade Moringa oil that promotes hair growth and fight hair loss naturally. It is easy, it is effective, and I will guide you step by step. Here I have some freshly harvested Moringa leaves, rich in vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin E, and packed with nutrients that nourish the scalp and strengthen the hair from roots to tip. I will gently detach the leaves into a clean, heat-resistant glass cup. This will infuse beautifully into our oil. And as you can see, I still have some Moringa leaves left. Don't throw yours away. I will be using mine in another interesting recipe coming up soon. So make sure you have subscribed and stay tuned. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of extra virgin coconut oil, one of the best oil for hair health. It moisturizes, reduces protein loss, and complements Moringa perfectly. Now, blend the mixture with a stick blender. This step helps break down the leaves and allow the nutrient to infuse faster and deeper into the oil. Transfer the blend to a double boiler and let it simmer for just 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. We are not frying, we're infusing gently to keep all the nutrients alive. After 7 minutes, take it off the heat and allow it to rest overnight. This slow infusion draws out even more of the Moringa powerful properties. Now, it is time to strain. I'm using a chiffon cloth to get a clean, smooth oil without any leaf particle. And here it is, our Moringa infused coconut oil, ready to boost hair growth and reduce hair loss naturally. To use it, massage a small amount into your scalp 2 to 3 times a week. Leave it on for at least an hour or overnight for deep conditioning. Then wash it off with a mild shampoo. You can also apply it to the hair length for shine and strength. If you have been wondering how to use Moringa for hair growth, this oil is your answer. It is natural, effective, and easy to make at home. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Udo's Organic DIY and hit the bell so you don't miss the next recipe using the leftover Moringa leaves.